Hi guys, how's everybody doing? Um, I got a order in that I wanted to share with you. Funny story though, that I had ordered from Spellbinders when they first had their spring sale, and I got it pretty quickly. Then I went back in on the 14th of May and placed another order for some things that they had added and things that I'd looked at before and I had missed. But it took so long, took 2 weeks for them to ship, and then it took time for me to get it here, and I just got it a couple of days ago. And it's the end of their spring, evidently, because I went online and now they've got their pre-summer sale going. So, that's how long it took. But I wanted to share with you because I know that a lot of these items are still there, and I think a couple of them are probably even cheaper. Maybe not. Some items, but anyway, so let's dig in. First thing that I got, I'll get rid of this. Sorry for the noise. First thing that I got was their media tray, which I just realized is cracked. That's not going to work. Anyway, so it's has 3 different separate compartments so that you can have glitter, embossing powder, or whatever, or just to sort for shakers or whatever. And it was only $2.48. So I thought it was a great price. Then it has a little opening right here so that you can dump out. So I got that. And then I got some of the whipped cream little twine. It was only, I think, $4.17. But I didn't, I've got a bunch of different colors, but not white. And I want to start using it in the front of cards and stuff. So making little bows or just wrapping around. So it's got quite a bit on it. 68 yards. So that's not a bad price for the 68. And then I got some stamps. I got this Gone Surfing stamp. It's got surfboards, the Woody. I just love the Woodies. The Ocean is Calling, flip-flops, swim trunks, Gone Fishing. And it's in their cling rubber stamp. That was $9.48, so that wasn't bad. And then I got Life. Enjoy the Ride. And it has 21 stamps. But it's got a roller coaster, a Ferris wheel, carousel, hot dog stand, circus tent. I thought it would be great for Disney. I don't know how many Disney trips I haven't scrapbooked yet. So I thought this would be fun. And this is a rubber stamp also that you, but it's already cut out so that you can just pop them out. This one was a little bit more because of how many dies and I guess the type. So it was like $16. So, but I just couldn't resist. And then, speaking of Disneyland, I got the Ahoy There stamp. Drink up, me hearties, yo-ho. This will be great for Pirates of the Caribbean. Dead Man Tell No Tales. Ahoy There. Look at the octopus skeleton. Look at how cute that is. So I was pretty excited when I saw that. So that's that one. And then, I don't know about you, but I have an issue with trying to make men's stamps or cards because there aren't a lot of items for men. So this is the man cave. That's a deer. We're not going to talk about that. Darts, gamer, got the old controller, beer, arcade game, man cave, I work until beer o'clock, bullseye. I just thought that was so cute, and I'm pretty sure it's thick enough, so I'm pretty sure it's a rubber stamp also. Yep. So, but I think that is good for all different ages of men, you know, teenagers through adults. So I was pretty happy with that. And it was only like $14, so. And then I got this cute little mermaid tail. And I don't, it's a swatch, it says it's a swatch, so that you could do different colors, but I just thought it would be cute just on the front of a card, you know, and maybe make this into a little shaker part. So, and I don't think it was like $6, so I just thought it was cute. And then I got dies. So this one is called Sentimental Finery. And it was $12.50. Look at how pretty. You can make a whole background out of it. And it's got the outside you can use by itself. Then it's got this big panel in here that can cut out, and then it's got the inside here that you can use by itself. So I thought that was fun. Then I got Noble Chantelane, I think is what it says. This was an amazing paper grace. And this is what it looks like. I just don't have anything that's this shape, and I just thought that was so pretty. And I think it was only, let me see if I can find the price. $15. So it's got the outside, and then it's got the inside panel, and then it's got 1, 2, 3. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is 6. This little floral pattern, and then the little inside. So 7 dies. And then I got the small die of the month from December of 2019. But it's got all these words. It's got sympathy, thinking of you, wishes, sending, congrats. So you could mix and match all the different words. It says love, thanks, birthday, happy, you, wishes, with. So it's got a lot of great sentiments on it, and it was only $10. And then this beautiful one, which was an APG from May of 2019, which was way before I started buying stuff. But look at how cool this is here, this panel. And it's got the outside panel, then 1, 2, 3 inside panels. It's like framework, when it cuts out. I don't know how well you can see that. There we go. So it's called Serenade, Nostalgic Serenade Card Frame. And it was a little pricey. It was $18. And the next one I got was, this was February of 19. Clearly 2019 was a good year. And I missed it. This was the February APG. And it's got the outer frame and then the corners and then these two pieces and then to cut those out. And then it's got 1, 2, 3 inside. And so it looks like this when it's cut out. And this one was called I'm not sure. Was it the Serenade? No, that one was Serenade. Let me see if I can find what this one's called. DOPMG February 19. Enchantment Tail Flip and Gatefold Card. Oh, yeah, Enchantment Tail Flip and Gatefold Card, which was $18. And then last but not least was another 2019 die, another APG from March, and it is Spun Blessings. So it's got the outer frame, it's got this, and then the inside. And it looks like this. It's so pretty and delicate looking once it's cut. Oh yeah, Spun Blessing. Funny how some of them have it on the back and some of them don't. Anyway, so that's it for this haul. Now I've got to find more space to put everything in. But I was happy with everything. I did go online and look at the summer sale, and I didn't see anything that I absolutely had to get that I didn't already have. So that's it for today. As always, thanks for watching. Stay safe and well. I appreciate your time that you take when you watch. If you subscribe, I appreciate. If you're thinking about it, I'd appreciate you to subscribe. Or if you like the video, hit the like button, and that makes YouTube very happy. So that's it for today. See you guys next time. Bye.